Okay, here's a question where you need to determine the concentration of ions. And so they give you grams of a compound, and they give you a volume of that compound, and they want to know the concentration of some ions. Well, I guess first they ask for the concentration of calcium chloride. So I like to write these formulas down. They give me a mass. I always know molar mass, so the first thing I'm going to do is find moles. I've started it here. When you divide those two, into my calculator, 2.5 divide 110.98. That gives you 0.022526 moles of calcium chloride. To find out the concentration of calcium chloride, you can take the 0.022526 moles and divide that by the volume, which is 100 milliliters or 0.100 liters. Okay, so take that number and divide it by 0.1. So I get 0.22526 moles per liter. And that is the concentration of calcium chloride. Okay, so that's the first answer right there. Then they say, what's the concentration of each ion? So each of the ions, if I dissociate calcium chloride, if I put it in water, it'll form calcium ions and chloride ions. Okay, so if this concentration is 0.22526, since this is a 1 and this is a 1, this concentration has to be the same. But this one is going to be double. So I'll take that answer I got and times it by 2. So this concentration will be 0.45053, etc. Now, sig figs, it looks like I have 2 sig figs, so I'd call this one 0.23, this one 0.23, this one 0.45. And this is, each of these would be moles per liter. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.